Elon Musk's company rolling out the futuristic electric pickup.
The Cybertruck is coming in the US.
Arguably the most anticipated and controversial pickup truck today.
Tesla says they're going to roll out 250,000 of these trucks.
A Tesla Cybertruck was spotted on the road in Northern California.
The heavily anticipated Cybertruck.
Cybertruck.
The Cybertruck.
Cybertruck.
Picture yourself cruising down the highway in a vehicle straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. That's the Tesla Cybertruck, which is leading into the electrifying world of tomorrow, where bold design meets cutting-edge technology. The Tesla Cybertruck, with its impressive interior and superior off-road capabilities, may rival the best-selling pickup truck in the electric car market. Questions arising about Cybertruck are, what are the overall impressions about the Cybertruck? How can the Cybertruck make the most of its potential? What's different in its electric power and bold design? In today's video, we will see the details about Tesla's new Cybertruck. But before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, do subscribe to it. Also, hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update in the future. Let's start the video. Interest in the Cybertruck's interior design is growing as people grow more accustomed to its distinctive look. Before turning his attention to the inside, a Cybertruck fan gave the outside a comprehensive inspection. Unlike Tesla's initial price statement, they said the Cybertruck might cost about $50,000. On the other hand, they think this is fair for a new electric pickup given the recent supply and inflation concerns. As with the Model 3 and Model Y, following their announcement, Tesla might eventually cut the price. Cybertruck will be faster, less expensive, and more effective thanks to Tesla's increased output. It might cost less than $45,000 out of the door with the potential $7,500 tax credit. There are all-terrain tires on the Cybertruck, which may have you wondering why the tires always appear to be changing. Naturally, all-terrain with choices for off-roading in mud or snow would be available on the production version at first. The hubcap is taken off this system, exposing a nice wheel design that is nice to view in the light. Though tough off-roading wheels would be a popular choice, simple wheels fit the Cybertruck's design well. For safety, they would have to be put through testing at highway speeds. Without any difficulty, the door swings open as the cameraman walks up to it. Although you can use a phone app, the handle is discreetly located in the bottom corner of the window. We just pushed open this already unlocked glass before entering. On every door, the handles retract neatly into the body seam. The cabin has a large interior. Tall drivers will have little trouble finding a room, as seen by the spacious floor area beneath the seats. Sitting comfortably, you may steer the formidable truck over difficult terrain. Large interiors are a trait that isn't exclusive to the Cybertruck, since we have seen other truck models have them as well. Still, for a pickup truck advertised as garage-friendly, there's plenty of floor room in front of the driver to set something down. The Tesla logo is no longer present on the steering wheel, which is notable. The Cybertruck symbol, surrounded by LED buttons, is displayed instead. Once upon a time, we believed that using the buttons on the wheel would be difficult. It is plausible that ergonomically positioned controls and drive-by-wire technologies might make off-road navigation simple for drivers. The need for additional cabin space and elegance has led to a change in pickup designs over time. The cabin-to-bed ratio of the original F-150 was 36:64. The most recent iterations approach 63:37. The Cybertruck has a rear display, which might show off the production Model Y. An estimated range is shown on the center screen, with the top and base models initially claiming 500+ miles and 250 miles respectively. Due to driving conditions, it is not advisable to anticipate the range based on observations. It is anticipated that the Cybertruck would have a far greater driving range. Despite this, some reservation holders are still apprehensive because Tesla has stated that the dual-motor Cybertruck, which is anticipated to be the first model deployed, will have a range for more than 300 miles. Elon Musk also contends that a range of more than 250 miles is not necessary for electric cars. According to Musk, you should pull over to stretch your legs, use the lavatory, and have some pizza if you can drive at 80 miles per hour for 3 hours straight. You may drive for a further 3 hours and repeat the process if your automobile was fully charged at that time. Like Musk, most people think it's uncommon to drive at highway speeds for more than 5 or 6 hours without rest. This indicates an electric vehicle's 250 to 300 mile range is adequate. As Tesla continues to develop its network, charging stations in rural US locations are generally located approximately 125 miles apart, according to the company's charging network map. However, there are some exceptions. It seems that California has more charging stations due to its high concentration of Tesla. We also had a close-up look at the Cybertruck's UI, which included alerts for open doors and a truck view mode. It may also regulate the tonneau covers from the inside, which validates earlier hypotheses. As demonstrated by the smoother operation for the rear tonneau cover, Tesla has made improvements to the rolling cover. To open the cover, use the little button or utilize the central screen. The quality of Tesla's motorized tonneau cover is superior to that of rival trucks' optional accessories. Though most vehicles, like the Ford Ranger Raptor, include it for free of charge, some don't. The Cybertruck specifications represent how society views novel features and car designs. Since its debut, the Cybertruck has remained a uniquely desirable pickup, unlike any other vehicle. As promised by Tesla, we are all still interested in learning more about the Cybertruck's off-road potential. Only a few videos of the vehicle at off-road locations such as the Baja Off-Road Racecourse or Hollister Hill State Vehicular Recreation Area have been released thus far, providing us with limited information on the testing outcomes. Although the final results are yet unknown, we can speculate based on testing that other vehicles such as the Ford F-150 Lightning and Rivian R1T have been conducted at comparable sites. Some context was provided by a recent pre-production film, and now we have more information thanks to a comparison of the Cybertruck, F-150 Lightning, and R1T. The three vehicles were put in direct opposition to each other when an owner of R1T took their truck on the same trail. Numerous variables that need to be carefully considered such as the driver's experience, tire size, pressure, temperature, suspension settings, and more cloud give the F-150 an advantage. We can still clearly recall the Cybertruck defeating the F-150 in towing. With the right torque, the Cybertruck can pull up to 14,000 pounds, which may be very useful in some situations. In addition, the R1T, the best off-road production EV at the moment, boasts 14.4 inches off-ground clearance and 6.5 inches of suspension travel. By comparison, the Cybertruck can adjust its suspension by 14 inches between the highest and lowest settings. The Cybertruck now has a distinct advantage over the Ford and Rivian. Not to mention, as demonstrated by the Tommy gun and aero tests that barely damaged the occupants, the Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton offers additional flexibility in challenging settings. Watching these three vehicles go head-to-head off-road is still thrilling. When the Cybertruck is revealed later this month, we'll finally have some solid information regarding its capabilities. Tesla is expected to bring 10 Cybertrucks to an upcoming event, with approximately 200 to 300 ready for delivery on Thanksgiving Day, with participants receiving the first 10 and subsequent consumers receiving more. Tesla plans to increase Cybertruck production to 5,000 units per week by 2025. The company initially intended to sue early owners who profitably sold their reservations but removed the no resale condition. The broad terminology is still used, but it may resurface for early Cybertruck purchasers. An amendment could allow selling the first Cybertruck for as much as desired, with restrictions on the charging system, warranty, and repairs. This could help reduce electric car sales and protect long-term customer bases. Now, let us know in the comments section below which feature of the Tesla Cybertruck is forcing you to buy it. If you liked the video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.